Hi everyone, we're meeting Dakshita for the second time on the channel. We've already launched a step inwards a couple of months back in Delhi, but we did not want to miss this opportunity of the World Book Fair to do a soft launch here for the book. So welcome Dakshita.
Thank you so much.
And
so excited.
yes, and let's start with the unveiling.
Please.
Yes. This is one of the cutest books that I have read personally because Dakshita has given some really cute doodles inside. So it's more like a journal come a book. So you must check it out on Amazon. We're putting the link in the description. And now, once the book launch is done, I'd like to have a small chit chat session with you,
Definitely.
Dakshita. Please have a seat. All right. The first thing, Dakshita, a step inward.
Yes.
Would you like to talk about the title to our readers?
Definitely. I think the idea was that because हमारी life में इतनी सारी चीजें चल रही होती है, we don't get time to spend with ourselves. It's always about social media, the other world around. So I thought it's time that we start going inside of us also, thinking, talking, reflecting. Even if we don't want to go to therapy for that, at least we can do something by ourselves जिससे हम खुद से एक relationship बना पाए. So that was the main idea of the title. And I remember the cover being so pretty.
I think that's going to be my second question.
Yeah.
We are sitting at the proposed day today. The Valentine's week is on. I think it's also very important to propose ourselves to be in love with ourselves.
Definitely.
So, what do you think about self-love?
Super important. Like, I don't know how many times people have told us we get to know through movies, songs, books, हर चीज में यही होता है that you need to love yourself, which is a hard process, and
Yes.
which is why we can't even force it, because force करेंगे तो effect won't be long lasting, which is why we want कि थोड़ा सा authentic हो जाए, even if it's a really tiny step where you're talking to yourself one day a little more kindly, nicely. That's good enough for a start out.
Yes. I think it's very important to also shut the voices that are coming from outside and listen to yourself, which is primarily why a step inward.
Right.
Also, you run a page called the Sticky Notes
of a therapist.
Yes. So, tell us about that.
Right. So the idea was to capture the journey of mental health, therapy, and I think the anecdotes of being a person also. It's not just about therapy, jargon, के नई नई चीजें सीख लो, but more about forming connections with self, more about observations, more about things you see around. So I thought it would just be a more fun way of doing that, which is why there's a tiny Instagram page there. And also things that will stay with us. So it's not just about fancy quotes or something, but even if it's like a tiny image, a tiny quote, a wording that might resonate with us months later also. So that was the major intention.
The idea. That's quite interesting. If you're not following the page, we're putting the page link. Go and follow right now. Also, Dakshita, we spoke about the doodles and we spoke about the book. Is there any special part of the book that you want to tell the readers about?
I think parts would be majorly the Bollywood references.
Yeah.
So I thought because I like Bollywood, I must put it somewhere together. So I was like, either डालना पड़ेगा, and I feel like the younger generations need to know about movies which they may not know.
Yes.
So I was like, have to be movie references. And then the team was so helpful in helping us collate the list also for it. So I think those references also help us to connect with ourselves.
Agreed.
That's what's happening on Instagram कि कोई अच्छा सा meme डाल देंगे and then it sticks with us so much.
Yes.
So I thought maybe one Chotu aspect that we can connect with the movie that might stay with us more.
Right. I think that's also a very interesting part because a lot of people have been criticizing Bollywood for, putting the misogyny there, which is all true, by the way.
Right.
But at the same time, I think there is a good side of Bollywood as well. There are movies that are healing. There are movies that are comforting. We always go back to a movie and we feel good.
100%.
So I think that could be a very beautiful way of, having a good time with yourself.
Definitely. That's there. And I think we all have these special movies which we may not tell the world because they don't sound cool enough. But एक कोई ऐसी हमेशा movie होती है which we personally relate to a lot. And I feel that's super important. That's
Yes.
also a good reflection point. Why do I resonate with this character?
Absolutely. This is true, by the way, that everyone has that one movie जो कि बहुत बुरी flop होगी but हमें देखनी
100%.
पसंद है.
100%.
So, which is that movie for you?
flop nahi thi, but Ye Jawani Hai Diwani,
Oh,
I feel
yes.
like I can't get over it.
Always.
I saw it when I was in class 11th first. I remember where, when, how.
Yes.
But I also know कि character change हो गया.
Correct.
पहले I would resonate with someone else. Now वो धीरे धीरे खुद ही shift हो गया.
Correct,
Which
correct.
I'm happy about.
Yes, that's interesting. I remember there was a movie named Pyar Impossible,
Yes.
a very bad flop, but I watch it so many times and I like it. There's nothing good about it, but I like it in general.
It just feels nice.
Yes.
It sits with you very well that way.
Correct,
Yeah.
correct, absolutely. So, Dakshita, any note for people who are watching you right now from, any point of view that you want to, put forward from a self-love point of view, from a step inward point of view?
Right. I think exactly what you said, that there's so much noise around us. Jaise abhi bhi, there's a lot of chit chat happening around us, but still we're able to hear
Yes,
each other.
yes.
We're able to hear ourselves, the way you are articulating, the way I'm thinking right now. So I think that is a sort of volume decibel we need to set for ourselves.
Yes.
कि अंदर का थोड़ा सा लाउड कर दो, बाहर का थोड़ा सा कम कर दो, so that you can at least listen to yourself more, listen to your body a little more कि उसको चाहिए क्या.
Correct, correct, absolutely. So I think that was quite an interesting little chit chat with Dakshita, our author. Step Inward is available on Amazon and Flipkart. You can check out the book. It's a beautiful, beautiful journey, is what I call it, because I absolutely loved it myself. A lot of our readers who visited your book launch have also read the book. They've come back with reviews and they are really good. So you must check out the book on Amazon and Flipkart, folks, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Dakshita, thank you so much for being with us. We have a little tiny gift for you.
wow.
So, Souvya, please.
It's so cool.
This is an author's cap.
Oh, this will be really special.
So it says
This is so
author
cool.
at Mithas.
Oh wow! I would love to show off. Yes, definitely. Thank you so much.
Many congratulations.
Thank you so much.